To the new morning, I woke with the night on my skin. You were gone, it was cold, I was cursed, I was told to walk with my face to the wind, to press my face against the wind. We made love in the silvery moonlight. We made love with the hunger of ghosts. Oh, I've tried to shake loose that god-awful truth. You're furthest from what you hold close, but you're closer now than you know. So I sing this for the angels, for the lonely brave. I sing this for the grateful who have only their given names. But the cradle is laying so close these days to the mouth of the open grave. So I sing this to every memory of you from the endless march of days. Saw scabs on the knees of the prophets. Saw a child left alone in the rain. There's a sleight of hand in the heart of man, turns everything sacred profane, that pleases itself with its pain. Yeah. Your love, it was just like an ocean, boundless and dark at its depths. Oh, carry me back to Galilee and leave steps. Come place your hand on my chest while I sing this for the angels, for the sad-eyed and the slain. And I sing this for the grateful who know every word's meaning is thanks. Now the table is set and the bells have tolled. There's no need for to delay. Hear me sing this to everything made new on the endless march of days. Oh, the endless march of days. Hey, the endless march of days. Oh, the endless march of days. Hey, the endless march of days. Oh, the endless march of days. Hey, the endless march of days. Oh, the endless march of days. A willow tree, a southern breeze, red river flowers at your feet. You kissed the sun, hey, you drew first blood, but were you ever free? Blue dawn, the trembling fawn, the silence sings its simple song. You took the road to Jericho, just looking to be free. Now the shadows spill against their will upon the newborn day. You look alive in your disguise of smoke and bouquets. As the winds blow through every silence, the night grows vivid and vibrant. And although you'd like to deny it, you still see only the dead die free. These empty streets on repeat. Oh, love, don't look at what it sees. You drank the rain, oh, you grieved God's grave. But could that set you free? Now the moon shines its strange designs upon the naked earth. You lick your wounds just to watch them bloom into such honest words. Now the winds blow through every silence, the night grows veiled and violent. And although you'd likely deny it, you still see only the dead die free. Oh, the winds blow through every silence, the night grows vast and violent. And although you'd like to deny it, you still see only the dead die free. Yeah, only the dead die free. Hey, only the dead die free.
You move like music, a gentle symphony, graceful steps that hold certain mystery. Bottom, your eyes like diamonds, shining bright they gleam. A lovely lady, you're my every dream. Lovely, lovely lady, you're the one I'm searching for. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Ever since I met you, there's no pain that I endure. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. You know that I love you, there's no one else I adore. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. I can't hide this feeling, something that I can't ignore. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Your laugh like heaven, twinkling with sunlight, filling the air with pure delight. Bottom, your smile like sunshine, warm and bright. Lovely lady, your love feels just right. No matter what I say, I always wish I could say more. Lovely lady, lovely lady. I see you looking out that window, won't you open up that door? Lovely lady, a lovely lady. In cloudy skies, my love for you still reigns, oh yes it pours. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Whatever we go through, just know I'm forever yours. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Lovely, lovely, lovely lady, eres mi amor. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Hold on to my hand now, darling, that's what it's there for. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. You're just like a dandelion, as pretty as before. Lovely lady, a lovely lady. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da, I'm forever yours. Lovely lady.